I know you are a beginner, so you are watching this video. Keep watching until the end. The video really will be helpful for you because I will say 3 tricks in this video. Next one is very helpful. If you can know next one, then you will be able to speak in English. Then let's begin without any further delay. First one is you have to watch English video. Whenever you will go on social media, you have to watch English video. If you would like to watch movies, then you have to watch English movies. If you would like to watch cartoons, then you have to watch English cartoons. If you would like to watch blogs video, then you have to watch English blog video. They will help you to understand English words. Then next one is you have to clear your basic grammar like tense, preposition, part of speech, and modal verb. As you can see, I am speaking in English in front of you. Just I have cleared this basic grammar and I can speak in English. As you can see, if you clear this basic grammar, you will also be able to speak in English. Then you have to clear this kind of basic grammar. Then third one is really helpful. If you can know third one, then you will also be able to speak English. Then let's begin. Third one is you have to start learning English. If you say I will start learning English later, no, it is not good for you. You have to start learning English from now on and you have to keep it going. Never give up. Then you will see your success. Best of luck to everyone. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.